2022 has been a remarkable month and a prelude to a new era of Indian drone industry. Hi everyone, my name is Sasha and you're watching Drone News Express. 1,000 indigenously built drones by Bot Lab Dynamics, an IIT Delhi based startup, takes up the skies to commemorate 75 years of independence as a part of the beating retreat ceremony at Vijay Chowk, Delhi. MoCA released the Draft National Aerospace Policy 2022 to promote the country's air sports sectors by making it safe, affordable, accessible, enjoyable and sustainable. The coverage of NASP 2022 will include aerobatics, aeromodeling, amateur build, experimental aircraft, ballooning, gliding, microlighting, paramotoring and skydiving. The Uttar Pradesh government has worked on an action plan to set up drone manufacturing units in the state. The administration has recognized the benefits of using unmanned micro-aircraft in various sectors and has decided to employ them in various fields. The Defense Ministry has concluded a survey of almost 18 lakh acres of defense land scattered across 4,900 pockets for effective land use in planning and preventing encroachments. The Karnataka Forest Department is adding a Cessna C-188 aircraft and drones with thermal sensors to its arsenal to deal with forest fires that are becoming more frequent due to climate change. In a move to avoid overcrowding, South 24 Parganas District Administration in West Bengal used drones to sprinkle water over devotees at Gangasagar on the occasion of Makar Sankranti. Bell claimed that their new 9 kg tethered unmanned aerial vehicle can loiter in a fixed position above airfields and army bases, providing a 360-degree surveillance capability and could help to prevent a Pathankot-style attack. After a terror alert, Delhi police issued an order prohibiting the flying of sub-conventional aerial platforms like drones, paragliders, paramotors, remotely any piloted aircraft till further notice. An MoU was signed between IG Drones and Government of Gujarat with the aims to upskill the youth by setting up Drone Center of Excellence at several technological institutions in the state. Tropogo got selected as India's first and only real-time micro-drone insurance startup as a part of FinTech Wales' esteemed cohort. The Indian Army has signed a contract worth $12.88 million with Anadrone systems for the maneuverable, expandable air target. NFSU has started the Center for Futuristic Defense Studies to develop state-of-the-art drone technology, which among other things will also focus on anti-drone technology. As kamikaze and the armed drones become the new buzzword after the Azerbaijan-Armenia conflict showed their deadly potency, an Indian firm, Lohia Aerospace Systems, based in Kanpur, has managed to get a foothold in this sector. In a major boost to promote precision farming in India, the Union Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers' Welfare has issued guidelines to make drone technology affordable to the stakeholders of this sector. The Indian Army has again signed a contract with ideaForge to procure an undisclosed number of high-altitude variants of Switch 100 UAVs to strengthen its surveillance along the line of actual control. Drone technology startup Arav Unmanned Systems stated that it has backed a large-scale mapping project from the Survey of India worth Rs 15 crores to map the entire state of Haryana. A Maharashtra-based UAV manufacturing firm Sagar Defense Engineering has won the National Startup Awards 2021 in the Industry 4.0 sector under the robotics category. India Meteorological Department is looking at conducting a pilot project in 2023 for using drones for weather observations across India. IIT Madras incubated flying taxi startup, the ePlane company, has raised $5 million in a pre-series A funding round. TechEagle also partnered with the Government of Telangana to deliver vaccines and medicine supply in the state. So friends, with this we come to an end to this month's Drone News Express. To get more updates, follow our Drone Helpline Facebook and LinkedIn page. The link is provided in our description box below. You can also provide us with your views, ideas and feedback. Thank you for watching. Do like our video and do not forget to share and subscribe to our Drone Helpline YouTube channel.